Hey YouTube, what's up? The name is Reyna, and well, I've been looking all over YouTube for a video to explain how to install a subwoofer, like an aftermarket subwoofer, into a Ford Focus SES 2009, but I haven't really found anything, and well, I recently learned how to install one on my own, and well, I'm here to pass on the knowledge to you guys so you guys won't have to keep looking and looking the way I had to be looking. Alright, so I added my factory or my aftermarket subwoofer using the Schoche add-on amplifier adapter LOC2SL, which should look like something like this. In order to connect this adapter, you have to connect it to the factory subwoofer amp, and well, this is like the adapter harness that goes into the factory subwoofer amp. I just spliced these wires from the factory subwoofer in order to connect this adapter, and well, to connect it right here is white, which is going to be your right positive, white and blue, which is going to be your right negative, white and gray, that one will be your left positive, and this black one will be your left negative. If you're not too sure how to wire it onto the adapter, there's a little book that comes with the adapter. It has a little diagram on here. Yeah, it should be fairly simple to wire it. It also comes with this yellow power wire, this black negative or ground wire, this like it's an extra thing in case you want to like add a little remote up to the front, which looks something like this, to be able to control your bass from up front. The neat thing about this adapter is it comes with its own remote wire, so you won't have to tap into the fuse box or remove your factory head unit. It makes installing an aftermarket so much easier. And well, this power wire goes right here. It goes to the power, exactly where you would put your power, this wire. Yeah, it goes to where the battery power, or where you hook up your battery power to your aftermarket amp. And this blue one right here, that one will be going right here into your remote, and this black wire right here will be going right here, right under your ground wire. So it's fairly simple to connect it. I mean, it's already connected from right there onto the factory subwoofer amp. Then right now I would just connect this one right here. It goes to the adapter. The adapter sends signal through the RCA cables. The RCA cables, when in my subwoofer amp, the aftermarket one, The cables should be somewhere around there, and well, everything else is the same as installing any other subwoofer amp. I hope my video helped a little. If not, please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you can. You know, just trying to get more subscribers. But this adapter right here would be about 20 bucks at a Walmart. If not, you could probably order it off Amazon. And it is the easiest way I know so far of adding on a aftermarket subwoofer into this car. So yeah.